Eh, conductor yan ng kuryente.
Alisin mo muna, ma'am, yung ma'am na. Ito, ma'am, ito po. Yan po. Tapos on po. On po, ma'am.
Press nyo yung, ito.
Press the button.
Yan.
Yan,
Ito.
yan, ma'am.
Sige, continue lang, ma'am.
9, 10. Hindi ako nagkaka.
Pakinggan nyo lang instruction.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads
Oh, plug in na, ma'am.
next to flashing
Yan.
light.
Pwede na, huwag mo siya.
Ay, nagalit. Mura, yan, clear yung wifi mo.
Analyzing
Oh, di mo yan, ma'am. Stop. CPR.
Do not touch the patient.
I'm shocking on 3.
I'm shocking.
Shock advised.
Okay, I'm shocking on
I'm
3.
shocking on 3. Are you clear?
Everybody clear? 1, 2, 3, press.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Paused. Begin CPR.
CPR ka na agad, ma'am.
Siya mo lang, ma'am. Siya mo lang.
CPR ka na agad. Press more.
Ano yung sabihin, sir? Patient is unresponsive? Patient ba?
Victim.
Victim.
Okay, stop. Ano na? Yehey! Sinong next?